AI hierarchy has been explained in what is called as a Russian doll hierarchy system. So on the top layer is artificial intelligence, where machines can actually think, they can perceive. At the next level, a subset of it is machine learning, where we learn from the data which is provided. So the next layer to it is very, very important, and that is through the neural networks, the idea of deep learning, similar to a human brain, inspired by the human brain. These neural networks actually have the capability to reason and decide, and finally together all of these help us improve. So whenever there is an input and the output it goes through a series of layers where there are weighted connections and there are functions which are taken into account, and finally the output is done. So this whole process of AI data structure actually includes collecting the data, then putting the data into a system, storing that data, processing that data, using machine learning or AI to analyze the data, and then based on that the insights can be given. So from that microscopic world to that macroscopic world which could serve millions of people, we have this digital public infrastructure being built on the basis of this AI ML analytics, where we say apps like Arogya Setu or DigiLocker are some of those. Now Arogya Setu has the health records for all of the individuals of the country who actually vaccinated, and their vaccine history has been well preserved. There are more than 1,000 plus apps that have been integrated, which has made it more secure and scalable across portals like DigiLocker, where all of the data is stored on the cloud. You need not to carry your physical documents for verification. The verification can be paperless and instantaneous. So this technology has a capability to create impact at a mass scale, and therefore these technologies help us move forward for real world development. And India Stack, or the digital public goods, is one such example, a golden benchmark of this use of technology. So thanks for joining. We'll be coming up with next important session. Stay tuned. Thanks for having us.